Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from IC Markets to your bank account. First, log in to your IC Markets client portal and click Withdraw Funds. Next, choose your withdrawal method such as bank transfer or international SWIFT. If you haven't linked a bank yet, tap Add Bank Details and enter your account information, including the SWIFT code, then save it. After that, select your trading account, choose your linked bank account, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and click Submit. Tap OK to confirm. Now, check your email and click the Confirm Withdrawal link. Once confirmed, the status will change to processing. Withdrawals usually take to 3 to 4 business days to reach your bank. And that's it. That's how to withdraw money from IC Markets. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.